lyrics are Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo, Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo, Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo, Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo. Many a times we tend to sing, like when we say in the South Indian languages we have the la, so we tend to say Mangala, but in the original Sanskrit we don't have that. So many of the recordings from Prashanthi Nilayam, or generally we try to sing it as Mangala, just it normal la.
Okay.
So we will do it line by line. Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo,
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 Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo,
Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo,
Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo,
Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Partishwara Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Shiva Shaktishwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Sri Shaileshwara Sai Namo,
Jaya Jaya Mangala Sai Namo. So, are there any questions or anything?
Is it? I know the lyrics say Shail, Shaileshwara. Is it Saileshwara or Shaileshwara?
So that's actually a good question. The thing is, many a times in bhajans, we tend to, again in Sanskrit, there is one Sha, which is like the Shoda Shopashara Sha, and then there is one for Sri we use the Sha, in Telugu also it is there. So there is Sa. So it is, we tend to make it like Sri Shaileshwara, but the Sha for Shaileshwara, it's not Saileshwara, it is not Shailesh, it is somewhere in between.
Okay.
So, but we tend to overlook that many a times, and we will not everybody will be able to go to that detail to say it is. If a proper Telugu person sings, they will sing it as Shaileshwara, Sha. So that in Telugu they say that Senivaram Sha. So that is the third Sha. That is, so it's neither Sa nor Sha. So yeah. So we tend to sing it as Shri so it is not Shaileshwara, it's not Saileshwara. It's somewhere in the in between. Yes.
Got it.
So yeah, you can lead, sir, and I'll follow.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
Do I do it twice or only once?
You can do it twice, sir.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
जय पर्तीश्वर साई नमो.
जय पर्तीश्वर साई नमो.
जय पर्तीश्वर साई नमो.
जय पर्तीश्वर साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
शिव शक्तीश्वर साई नमो.
शिव शक्तीश्वर साई नमो.
शिव शक्तीश्वर साई नमो.
शिव शक्तीश्वर साई नमो.
शैलेश्वर साई नमो.
श्रीशैलेश्वर साई नमो.
श्रीशैलेश्वर साई नमो.
श्रीशैलेश्वर साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.
जय जय मंगल साई नमो.